Good day, everyone. Today we're going to demonstrate how to grow strawberries properly. Okay, a lot of people grow strawberries but they never get a real good crop, and it often gets bugs in it and it gets rotten. But we're going to show you some really good techniques today on how to grow strawberries that are really sweet and juicy. Now, very important is that when you're talking about strawberries, I want the kids like Harrison here. Now, I met Harrison about a year ago when he was 6.5. He's now 7.5, and in March next year you'll be 8, won't you? Right? So Harrison's a very bright young bloke, very bright, and he reminds me of me when I was young, always keen asking questions, right? So I've been teaching Harrison for the last year about how to grow things, and today we're going to demonstrate how to grow strawberries in a tub and also on what I call a raised bed, but we're also going to grow strawberries in a pot, which Harrison's going to take home with him. Now, what's important is that why do you want to grow strawberries? The most important thing is strawberries are full of vitamin C. That vitamin C is very rich in it because of the amount of the sourness in a strawberry, sour sweet. It also has got beta carotene, which is a red color. The red color of the strawberries is beta carotene, which is excellent for the back of the eyes, the macula. It feeds the eyes. Third but not least, I have seen in the last month, especially when strawberries were a bit tough to get, 3 pounds for 20 strawberries. 3 pounds. This is a lot of money for 20 strawberries. I mean, if you did that over a year, 3 pounds times 365 days, that's over 1,000 pounds just on 1 punnet of strawberry per day, and that's 20 strawberries. It's not much. So we prefer to grow our own strawberries. We've got about 160 plants we've planted in 4 different tubs. We've got this tub here, right? This one here, you can see already. You can see the strawberry. Show them, Harrison. See that? See, beautiful, isn't it? That's green, of course, but going to red. See that? We've got that one tub there. We've got this one over here. Okay, that one here. We've got one beyond that, and then we've got one over there behind them, near the shed up there. You can see up the corner up there. So that's 4, right? So the tubs are really worthwhile because the tubs is elevated. It's off the ground, so you don't get so many slugs and pests and so on because it's on a raised bed. Those beds are full of compost, and inside there is lawn clippings, there's logs, there's leaves, there's branches, there's all kinds of straw, and of course compost that we've made from the house in your compost bin. So this soil is very rich. In fact, the soil is black, which means, and when it's black, that's when the soil is at ultimate. Now, when I first came here, the soil was like clay. It was like a brownish, pale brown, and it was reasonably healthy, but not as healthy. And the worms were very small like that. As soon as I started working, I've been working on these for 5 to 8 years, right? Depending on where the bed is. And this soil is black. We're going to show you an example in a minute. Black. And the worms are now that long and about half the size of my finger. And when you see worms that large, you know your soil's organic, your soil's rich, and that makes you healthy, super healthy, right? Now, I'm working on my own fitness and health so that when Harrison gets his first house, I'll be there to teach him how to garden in his own house. How does that sound? Sounds good? I might be 100 by then. You know, I'm almost 75 now, so but I'll still be around, solid, strong, right? I'm getting strawberries.
And you still have that tattoo.
Still have that tattoo, eh? All right. So, anyway, so if you need more information, go to our channel on YouTube, Planet Wellness. Press the button and ask for the link, and and then you'll receive videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. But for now,